गुड इवनिंग बॉयज, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी विद अस इजी। स्टडी विद अस इजी में आपका स्वागत है। नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टडी द साइंस बुक ऑफ क्लास 5। द बुक नेम इज फ्रेग्रेंस, all of our school world textbook of social study. In this chapter we will study about pollution of environmental pollution. Boys, today we will study environmental pollution. The name of our topic, environmental pollution. There is a question, what is pollution? Now we will discuss the pollution. Now we see that any undesirable change in air, water or land which harm the environment is called pollution. Any undesirable change that harm or environment. Now in this topic we will study the what is pollution and type of pollution. There are 4 type of pollution. Next, first air pollution, second water pollution, third land pollution, and last noise pollution. And next, at the last we will study how to save earth. Now before the reading the chapter, we want to just recap the chapter, यानी कि themes of the chapter. Now first of all we will read recap and then we read the chapter and discuss all the type of questions and any other problems. Thank you so much. If you like my video, then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. This is recap of the chapter. Now first point, we will see that any undesirable change in the air, water or land which harm the environment called pollution. Okay, this is the definition of pollution. If anyone asks you about the what is pollution, then you can tell him that any undesirable change in the air, water or land which harm the environment is called pollution. Second point, how many type of pollution? So there are 4 main type of pollutions are air, water, land and noise pollution. How many type? 4 type. First air, second water, third land and fourth noise pollution. Next, air pollution is caused by smoke, dust and is the cause of many diseases. Smoke and dust are known as pollutants for air pollution. Factory and transport are major source of air pollution. Next point, water pollution is the introduction of waste into large water bodies. Next, land pollution is the degradation of the earth land surface through the misuse of soil. Or last point, noise pollution is caused by any sound that is unwanted, unpleasant and loud. So this is the recap. First, what is the pollution? Second, type of pollution. Third, air pollution is caused. Factory and transport are major source of air pollution. Now we will start to read the chapter. Next, come to the point. Let's start to read. Start. The earth is home to millions of living organisms. Nature has generously provided us many resources which has made our life more comfortable.
But due to some human activities, the beauty and bounty of nature is being badly affected.
The primary factor causing environmental degradation are
the increasing pollution, industrializations, and urbanization.
degradation, the increasing population, industrialization, and urbanization. Next,
Any undesirable change in the air, water, or land which harms the environment is called pollution.
smoke, poisonous gases or waste material from factories are responsible for pollution. These are called pollutant. What is the pollutant? Now you can tell me what is pollutant. As if you have already read that smoke, poisonous gases, waste material from factories are responsible. These are called pollutant. Now we will start to read first type of pollution, air pollution. First,
Poisonous gases, smoke, and dust particles mix with air to make the air pure. This is called air pollution.
air pollution can result from both human and natural actions. Natural events that pollute the air include forest fire, pollen explosion, sandstorm, and volcanic eruption.
Human activities also result in air pollution. These include
First, enforcement point. Use of CNG. What is CNG? The
compressed natural gas.
buses has helped in controlling the pollution level in Delhi. As if we know that transport are the major cause of air
Air
pollution.
pollution.
This is the point. What is CNG? CNG, full form of CNG.
Compressed natural gas.
Buses has helped in controlling the pollution level in Delhi.
And Delhi.
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इमिशन फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रीज. जो इंडस्ट्रीज है उससे निकलने वाला धुआं या अवशेष, इसको एमिशंस बोलते हैं. बर्निंग ऑफ कोयल, पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट एंड वुड्स, स्मोक फ्रॉम व्हीकल. नाउ यू मस्ट
have seen fog on a winter morning. When this fog combines with smoke, it forms smoke. This causes a serious problem as it does not allow the sunlight to reach the earth's surface by forming a dense and
opaque layer. All life forms just as if human, animal and plant get affected by air pollution. Inhaling polluted air leads to disease and other respiratory disorder in both human and animal. Plants are unable to prepare their food properly in polluted air, and thus their growth slow down. Next,
water pollution.
what is water pollution?
The waste and harmful chemicals from factories, when dumped into water bodies, pollute the water. This is called water pollution.
It not only make the water impure but also harm the plant and animal inhabiting the water body. Human activities which pollute the water are listed below. First,
Draining sewage waste into rivers, domestic and agricultural waste from field flushed into water bodies, dumping chemicals and toxic waste from factories, washing cloth and throwing garbage into river, allowing animal, cattle and livestock to bath and defecate in
and around water bodies. Consumption of unclean water can cause several diseases like cholera and jaundice. Next point, dumping hot water from power plant
in
into
water bodies,
cause thermal
pollution.
Dumping of water. In the figure you have seen there are 4 figures. First है from vehicle, it is called air pollution. From factory, this is called smoke, air pollution. Next,
From what
factory waste drainage, it is cause of water pollution. Sewer drainage, it is also cause of water pollution. First two are air pollution pollutants and second two are water pollutant. Now we will start cause of this water pollution also cause of the disease jaundice, typhoid and diarrhea. Next
Diarrhea.
point.
Land pollution. Land or soil pollution is due to the dumping of waste on land. In other words, we can say that land pollution is the degradation of the earth and land surface through the
Misuse of soil. Plastic waste does not decompose and thus is a major cause of land pollution. The major cause of land pollution are
solid waste from homes and factories, liquid waste from hospital and industries, agricultural waste, refuse, कौन से पे आपने agricultural waste, refuse from mining activities, plastic waste accumulation.
points. Plastic take about an average of 500 years to decompose totally. So we should avoid to use plastic in daily needs. Next point. If the
The soil quality is degraded due to any of the above reason, it will prevent proper plant growth and decrease soil fertility. Without sufficient plant cover, soil erosion would occur gradually and the land will turn into desert.
next enforcement point, waste that get degraded by the
Microbes.
is soil is called biodegradable waste. What is the definition of biodegradable waste? A
Waste.
waste that acts degraded.
By the microbes in soil is called biodegradable waste.
Next and last types of pollution is waste noise pollution.
Pollution.
Now we will study about noise pollution. Come to the point. Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Noise pollution is harmful to all living organisms as it has the potential to damage the hearing organs apart from causing stress and irritation.
The intensity of sound is measured by decibel dB. The minimum intensity of audible sound for humans is 20 decibel.
Decibel. We know that the intensity of sound is measured in decibel. Short may we can write it dB, or the minimum intensity of audible sound for human is 20 decibel. And we can hear minimum 20 decibel sound. Next point. Bat can defect. This is a scientific fact. Bats can detect the produce high frequency sound wave called ultrasonic waves. Next, and sound beyond 90 decibel intensity is harmful for the ear. Okay, this is a question. Now you can learn that what intensity is harmful for the ear.
29.
Beyond 90 decibel.
Okay.
90 decibel.
Decibel.
And we can hear minimum 20
20
decibel.
decibel.
And the bat is a animal, mammals that walk only in night. How he detect what is the obstacle in his way? So he can detect by producing high frequency sound waves called
Ultrasonic waves.
waves. Okay, cause of noise pollution.
Loud horns of vehicles, bursting of crackers, using loudspeaker during festivals, wedding, etc. are the major causes of the noise pollution.
Okay, now we have studied there are four types of soil pollutions. First,
Air pollution,
second, water
water
pollution,
pollution, second, land
third,
pollution,
third land pollution, and fourth,
noise pollution.
noise pollution. Now, how we can save our earth? This is the point, saving of our earth. In next video, we will solve all the exercise, and I think after reading the chapter, you can solve the question. Now start.
We are exploiting the natural resources and degrading the environment for our own selfish need. It is time to pay attention to this issue, create awareness and work upon conserving nature. Some of the ways to save the environment are reduce, recycle and reuse the
Reduce, recycle, and reuse.
resources. The sources.
Resources. There are 3R. What is 3R?
Reduce, recycle and reuse the
Reuse.
resources.
Next point.
Plant a tree for every tree being cut.
Next. Save.
Save fuel since burning of fuels causes our air pollution.
Next.
Walk or cycle for short distance to save fuel.
Next. Reduce.
Reduce the use of unnecessary material.
Reduce the uses of
Unnecessary material.
Next point.
Polythene bags cause land pollution. Use a cloth or paper bag for shopping.
Next point.
Never play loud music. Do not honk the car horn unnecessarily, etc.
Conduct
regularly check to ensure the fact that factories obey the pollution law.
Obey the pollution laws.
Law.
Okay, this is completion of the chapter. Now we have already learned what is the recap. If you want to do the questions, please wait for the next video. Now you can see exercise. Tick the correct option. First question: smoke from factory
Factories
and vehicle are major source of pollution.
air pollution.
Okay. Answer is
Air pollution.
and the first point is correct. Next, consumption of unclean water can cause a disease like cholera. B point. Next, we should prefer a paper
Paper bag.
when going. Now here we can take. We should not prefer. We should not prefer polythene. Okay. We should use cloth, jute, and paper. We should not use polythene. First. Now intensity of sound is measured in
Decibel.
decibel. And last, air and noise pollution is caused by
Bursting cracker.
bursting crackers. Cracker को जलाने से air and noise both pollutant are found. Next point, fill in the blanks. First point क्या है? Smoke is mixture of dust and fog. Next, dumping of hot water. Dumping of water into water bodies cause water pollution. Sound having an intensity of more than 90 decibel is harmful for
Ears.
human being. More than 90 decibel, okay?
Human ears.
From hospital and industry is major cause of land pollution. Waste.
Waste material from
Hospital and industries is a major cause of
land pollution.
land pollution. Last point, loud and unpleasant sound is called
Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise pollution.
noise pollution. Next, last, match the column A to column B. Okay.
Domestic sewage, water
Domestic-
pollution.
Domestic sewage,
Okay.
smoke from vehicle,
Air pollution,
noise from loudspeaker,
noise pollution,
and plastic waste accumulation,
land pollution.
land pollution. Okay. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.